In the 17th century, the Netherlands was the scene of the first speculative economic bubble in history, Tulip Mania. This period of extreme value increases in tulip bulbs took place during the Dutch Golden Age and serves as a fascinating example of how speculation can influence the economy. The fascination with tulip bulbs began when Carolus Clusius, a botanist, brought tulip bulbs to the Netherlands for research. The rarity and beauty of these tulip bulbs quickly made them a coveted status symbol among the wealthy. The demand for tulip bulbs skyrocketed, leading to a drastic price increase for these bulbs. The trade in tulip bulbs transformed from simple barter to a complex financial market involving futures. Tulip bulbs were traded on paper, contracts for tulip bulbs that were still underground were bought and sold for high amounts. At the height of tulip mania, a single tulip bulb could be worth more than a luxury house on the Amsterdam canals. The rapid increase in the value of tulip bulbs had significant consequences for the Dutch economy. Many people, from wealthy merchants to ordinary workers, invested their money in tulip bulbs, hoping for a quick profit. When the market for tulip bulbs collapsed, it led to financial disaster for many who had invested their savings in these bulbs. Eventually, the bubble burst. The prices of tulip bulbs plummeted as quickly as they had risen, causing chaos in the financial world. Tulip mania taught us a valuable lesson about the dangers of speculation and the potentially devastating effects it can have on the economy. Tulip mania is a significant event in economic history that shows how speculation and greed can disrupt an entire economy. It also demonstrates how something as seemingly innocuous as tulip bulbs can become the center of a massive financial bubble. The lessons we can learn from tulip mania are still relevant today, as new forms of speculative bubbles continue to emerge in our modern economies.